Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, the effects of light on plant and animal species. First 27 to 33 questions are true, false and not given. First question is, there is plenty of scientific evidence to support photoperiodism. Photoperiodism को support करने के लिए हमारे पास बहुत सारे scientific evidence है. The seasonal impact of day length on physiological responses is called photoperiodism, and the amount of experimental evidence for this phenomenon is considerable. बहुत सारे evidence है, तो इसका आंसर true होगा. Some types of bird can be encouraged to breed out of season. कुछ पक्षियों को out of season breed के लिए encourage किया जाता है. Some species of birds breeding can be induced even in midwinter simply by increasing day length artificially. Artificially day length को बढ़ाकर, तो इसका आंसर भी true होगा. Next is not given. Next is desert annuals are examples of long-term plants. Deserts annuals long-term plants के उदाहरण है. Day-neutral plants have an evolutionary advantage when the connection between the favorable period for reproduction and day length is much less certain. For example, desert annuals. तो deserts annuals, day-neutral plants के उदाहरण है, तो इसका आंसर false होगा. Next question is, bamboos flower several times during their life cycle. Bamboo अपने जीवन काल में बहुत बार flower पैदा करता है. Bamboos are perennial grasses that remain in a vegetative state for many years and then suddenly flower, fruit and die. Bamboo काफी सालों तक vegetative condition में रहता है, फिर suddenly flower देता है और मर जाता है. इसका मतलब वो सिर्फ एक बार flower देता है. तो इसका आंसर false होगा. Scientists have yet to determine the cue for Chusquea abitafolia's seasonal rhythm. Chusquea abitafolia's seasonal rhythm की cue का पता लगाना अभी बाकी है. Every bamboo of the species Chusquea abitafolia on the island of Jamaica flowered, set seed and died during 1884. The next generation of bamboo flowered and died between 1916 and 1918, which suggests a vegetative cycle of about 31 years. The climatic trigger for this flowering cycle is not yet known. अभी इसका पता नहीं चला है, तो इसका आंसर true होगा. Next question is, Eastern hemlock is a fast-growing plant. Eastern hemlock तेजी से बढ़ने वाला plant है. Eastern hemlock seedlings are shade-tolerant. They can survive in the forest and estuary under very low light levels because they have a low photosynthetic rate. Low level से बढ़ता है, तो इसका आंसर false होगा. Next 34 to 40 questions are fill-ups. First question is, day length is a useful cue for breeding in areas where dash are unpredictable. Day length breeding के लिए useful cue होता है उन areas में जहाँ कुछ unpredictable होता है. Day length is an excellent cue, because it provides a perfectly predictable pattern of change within the year. In the temperate zone in spring, temperatures fluctuate greatly from day to day. तो जहाँ पर temperature fluctuate होता है, तो इसका आंसर temperature होगा. Next question is, plants which do not respond to light levels are referred to as dash. वो plants जो light levels को respond नहीं करते. Day-neutral plants have an evolutionary advantage when the connection between the favorable period for reproduction and day length is much less certain. जब day length नहीं के बराबर होती है, तो इसका आंसर होगा day-neutral plants. Next question is, birds in temperate climates associate longer days with nesting and the availability of dash. Temperate climates के birds longer days को nesting और किसी और चीज के साथ associate करते हैं. Thus many temperate zone birds use the increasing day lengths in spring as a cue to begin the nesting cycle, because this is a point when adequate food resources will be assured. तो इसका आंसर होगा food resources. Next question is, plants that flower when days are long often depend on dash to help them reproduce. जो plants long days में flower देते हैं, वो reproduction के लिए किस पे depend करते हैं? Long day plants are adapted for situations that require fertilization by insects. तो वो fertilization के लिए insects पर depend करते हैं. Desert annuals respond to dash as a signal for reproduction. Deserts annuals में reproduction का क्या signal होता है? Deserts annuals germinate flower and seed whenever suitable rainfall occurs. तो इसका आंसर suitable rainfall होगा. Next question is, there is no limit to the photosynthetic rate in plants such as dash. इन प्लांट्स में फोटोसिंथेटिक रेट की कोई लिमिट नहीं होती. Some plants reach maximal photosynthesis at 1/4 full sunlight, and others like sugarcane, never reach a maximum, but continue to increase photosynthesis rate as light intensity rises. तो इसका आंसर होगा sugarcane. Next question is, tolerance to shade is one criterion for the dash of plants in forestry and horticulture. Tolerance to shade, forestry plants का एक तरीका है कुछ करने का. Plants in general can be divided into two groups, shade-tolerant species and shade-intolerant species. This classification is commonly used in forestry and horticulture, तो इसका आंसर होगा classification. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.